Hi guys, welcome back to another amazing property tour. Today I'm at Riveria Residence, right on the Boundary Roads, and I'm going to show you an amazing apartment. Let's head straight in. Okay, so I'm about to show you one of the apartments, so let's head in. Okay, so we are inside one of the 3-bedroom apartments, and I really love this area because as you come in, there's like this small little entryway here, but it's really nice use of space. It's got a really nice welcoming feeling, a really nice entrance here. And to the side of me, we have a beautiful kitchen as well. This is a nice size kitchen for this size apartment. It works really well. You have everything in here. You have all your units. You have absolutely everything here. And I love the breakfast bar because if you have children like me, you can be doing what you need to do there, and you have your children and everybody being able to sit down here and enjoy their meals, which is really nice. Start to head through here. This area kind of opens up. It's very nice and bright. So the kitchen definitely has more of a warmer tone going on, which actually gives the house a really nice feel. And here it feels a lot brighter. And I guess part of that reason is because we have such large windows here. The windows are really nice and big, right from the ground going up. And so we have lots of views. We're able to see the outside. You can see the Boundary Road from here, so you can definitely stand outside and have a look. So to the side of me here, we have a really nice dining area. So if you want to do formal dining, you can absolutely sit here and do that. There's also a really nice place to sit. Your sofa is here. You can sit, chill out here in the evenings and watch TV and just watch the world go by. It's really nice. So the place also has AC, which means that it's nice and cool in here, and it feels really refreshing. I love the way this place is decorated. It's done so well. It's got a very modern type feeling, and so it feels really nice. We also have some balcony space outside as well. So if you're a balcony kind of person, you can absolutely stand out here and enjoy the view and just watch the world go by. I absolutely love it. So this is a really nice space. I'm going to show you the bedroom now, so let's go. Right, so this is the primary bedroom. Okay, so the primary bedroom, as you head in here, you notice straight away to the side of me, this is the washroom. Okay, I say washroom, bathroom. Okay, so what I like about this is that we have our bath plus shower with the bath, but then we also have a separate shower area here. So this is really nice. So if there's 2 of you and you both want to shower at the same time because you're in a rush, you've got ample space to do that. Okay, so that's really nice. And then over here, you'll see that this is the bedroom space. Now this is a decent sized room. I'm sure this is like a king size bed. And you have lots of space. You have your wardrobes here as well. And it just feels really nice, cool, and collected. Okay, so I'll take you to the other bedroom. So we have another bedroom here, again, very nice and bright. We have our AC in here, lovely use of space, again, very comfortable, large window as well, so you've got lots of bright light coming in, just what I'm looking for. And over here, we have another bathroom, which the light is not on for, if I can find the light switch. So yes, so in this bathroom again, this bathroom is for the 2 bedrooms, which are side by side. So we have a shower here, no bath here, but that's absolutely fine. We have a really nice, comfortable shower here. And obviously you have your vanity unit, your sink and everything. Again, really nice and decorated. So it is very much in line with the other bathroom. They look uniform. So it's a really nice space.
Hi Della, welcome to Riviera.
Thank you.
Good to see you. Twice this week, so.
Yes, I know, right? Exactly. Yeah. So I've been touring this beautiful apartment here. I absolutely love it so much. Yeah. Can you tell me a little bit more about the apartments that you have here? Yeah. Are these all for sale, for rent?
Well, I think that I won't say you've come at a bad time, but there are just a few units left.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we started this a few years ago, and in total there are 103 apartments.
Yeah,
But we
okay.
just have a few, I'll say less than 10. Like,
Oh.
yes, a single digit number left.
Oh, wow.
And that's mostly 2 beds and I think 1 3-bed. So the studios and 1 beds, they are all gone. Those went very quickly.
Wow.
Yeah. And I think that we had a discussion a few days ago, and I was telling you that the studios and the 1 beds went very quickly because of the huge investment opportunity.
Right.
So I'm sure coming here, you see, because of our location, we are just along the boundary road, not too far from the East Legon Police Station, Starbites, American House is down the road.
Yeah.
And because we are just on the main road, like, it has a very huge rental potential. So we, obviously, in thinking about the project, we knew that. But at the same time, we wanted families to be able to enjoy it. So it's a balance. So that's why we have studios up to 3 beds.
Right.
At the same time, we try and manage the rentals bit of it, because you obviously don't want someone jumping in and out of a studio next to a 3-bed family and all that. So I'm sure when you were coming, you saw that security is very tight.
Very, yeah.
The rental process, we also run it through another company, which I think I'll touch on later. So yeah, that's just you know, that's just us. We focus on lifestyle, and we kind of pride ourselves in that. Yeah.
Okay, so you mentioned that there's only like a single digit of units left.
Yes.
So that means I'm too late.
You know, like, I wouldn't say too late, and here's why. We have a phase 3.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So I think I'll show you around later, and then you see. So phase 3 is basically going to be studios and 1 beds.
Right.
So phase 3 is mostly targeted to people who didn't have the opportunity to buy earlier, especially for investment. And then now, there are 25 units we are building in phase 3 just for that. So you are never late, you know, as the saying goes. I think that is a good time to come now, because those units fly off very quickly.
How much are they going for?
So the studios, okay, so that development, the starting price is $92,000.
Right.
It's not too bad, is it?
Okay. That's actually quite, I would say that's actually quite reasonable for the location where we are. We're very central to everything, and right here we have a lot of supermarkets around. Downstairs, you know, you have Ernest Chemist, you have a cafe as well. So I think you're getting quite a lot. I mean, to be honest with you, if I had the money right now, I would purchase one myself, and that's the honest truth, because I've been in Ghana for a long time, and I've seen investment opportunities, and this is a really, really great one. So you were talking about investments. So if someone was to buy one of those, what can someone expect to receive back, just to give the viewers a little bit more of an idea as to what they can get out of it? Yeah,
I mean, listen, let me just give you the history. So about 3.5 years ago when we started, 3 to 4 years ago when we started, our starting price was $74,000 for a studio. And now the studios are 92.
Wow.
So imagine that if someone came and bought a studio at that time,
Yeah.
they've already made a capital appreciation of like almost 20K, and the prices only go up.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
There's a base appreciation that you get, and then there's also the rent factor. So if you are renting it out, your rent is about 10% of the value of the property that you buy.
Wow.
Every year.
Wow.
So compound your rental income plus your capital appreciation,
Yeah.
and it's a very, very good investment.
Wow.
Yeah.
I think 10% return on an investment is very,
really
very
high.
healthy one, right? It's a really good one. Okay, so the apartments that are available in this current phase, are they also 92?
And those are the 2 beds. So the 2 beds start at a different price.
Right, okay.
The studios start at 92.
Right.
And then we have the 1 beds. And then, but I'll give you the details of all the prices, and you can share with anyone who wants to know.
So is phase 3 already done?
Phase 3 is starting now.
Okay.
So my advice would be, guys, you should, if you are interested in this is the time to come.
Yeah.
Because like I said, it's going to take us, a couple of months to finish. And the prices do go up. It's just the way the market works. So if you come in now, you still have the lifetime of the project. At least in our case, I can speak for us. You have the lifetime of the project to pay. So what I'm trying to say is that if, let's say, someone comes and then they are interested and they want to buy right now, they pay a reservation fee, they pay 20% of the cost of the value of whatever unit they want.
Right.
And then we can spread the payment up until completion.
Oh.
So it's a little bit more flexible when you come in now, and you get today's price for it.
Yes.
So I think that this is the time to come if you know if you're in the market for it. And I always advise people to buy from established developers for so many reasons. I mean, the fact that you can trust that, especially if you're overseas. And we have so many projects. So yeah, you guys, you know, I'm giving you enough to make a good decision. I hope.
No, I believe it is a good decision, and that's just the honest truth for me. I believe investing in something like this is a very good decision, because I used to pass this place all the time, and so I remember when construction was going on, but like my mind wasn't really there and thinking, oh, maybe I should get one for investment purposes. It's only when you see something come up and it's complete, you're like, oh, I missed it, and it's by then it's too late. So I think the fact that you're building another phase is a really great thing, because it gives people another chance. But you said there's only how many units? Well,
it's 25 units. It's not as big as this one, and we've already sold some. And you know, like, so it's
some's already gone.
Some's already gone. We are still in the construction phase, so it's definitely not too late. It's around this time that like you get the best of it if you come at this time.
And also I noticed there's like, is it a lake or something?
Yes, there's
what's that about? Tell me, what is that?
You're not the first person, and you are definitely not going to be the last person to ask about it, but this place is called Riveria Residence, and the name is because of the lake we have. So we are along the lake, you know, beside the lake, however you want to call it. So we have apartments on this side of the building, which open straight into the lake. So it's like a very nice, calming view and all that. And this lake, let me tell you the history. So this is a man-made lake. Like, that's why it's in the middle of
because it's
Accra,
a very strange location, right?
It was built by Kwame Nkrumah, I hear. And during the time where they were constructing the Tema motorway, so it was kind of like the primary water source, and it has stayed there for, I guess, 50, I don't know how many years it has been there. So we are just utilizing the lake. I think people who know the history of East Legon know about it for sure.
No, it's a nice idea to be able to open your doors and, you know, see a lake in the morning. That's a really nice thing.
Or your curtains, you know, some of the bedrooms. Just
exactly. So what other amenities do you have here? Because obviously you've kind of set this place up so, you know, you don't need to go out for too much. So what do we have available here? Because if I decide to like rent out this apartment, for example, what do I have? I know I've seen Ernest Chemist, and I've seen you have a cafe as well.
Yeah, we have Cinnamon Cafe. And we also have another sweet shop coming downstairs. We have a gym. We have a pool. We have a rooftop terrace, which we know is unique. It's something that you think, and it's accessible to the residents. So I know a couple of weeks ago, there was this lady that used it for a cinema night for some kids, like a kids party. It was really nice here on the top with the views. You get to see most of East Legon. It is quite nice.
Nice.
So
lovely. Okay, so there you have it, guys. So you can see for yourself that this is a really great investment opportunity. I mean, all the amenities are here. I think the location is brilliant. You have easy access to supermarkets, schools, absolutely everything is right here. And I'm just telling you for a fact, this place is really, really nice. It's done really, really tastefully in terms of the decor and stuff like that. And I think one of the things that also attracts me to this place as well is the fact that if I was abroad and I wanted to invest my money here, everything is handled for me. I don't have to physically go and look for tenants, because you have a side of you that actually deals with all of that. So you literally can be hands off, right?
Yeah, it is. And I think that, I wanted to spend time explaining that. So we have a sister company that handles all the developments we have done. So not just this one, we have others. And the reason why that is key to note is because they've been handling those in the past. They have like a database of people that they are always helping to rent out their units. So what happens is that once the apartment is complete, you have an option. We don't force you to do it, but there's an option to either do it by yourself or go onto the rental company. And then if you go with a rental company, I think that's 100% hands-off. All you do is get your money at the end of the month. They handle it from you. They handle everything. They even do the furnishing if you want. For shortlets, they do every single detail of all the furnishing. I think you saw one of the units where it had everything. Spoons, cups, plates, everything. So But some landlords are different. Some landlords want long-let tenants, some want short-let tenants, but we handle all of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you were to invest in one of these, does it come with the furniture and stuff in, or you put it in yourself?
Well, it's an option. It's an added option. So if you want furniture, you can add the furniture, but it's like with an extra cost, of course. So we have a furniture pack, and if you go with it, you do. If not, it still comes with a fitted kitchen, like you saw. It comes with wardrobes, comes with the AC, it comes with all of the things minus the furniture. However, we could still add the furniture.
Right. And it would be decorated like this, because I love the way that this is decorated. It's very tastefully done.
It will be the same.
Right, okay, I love that. So, thank you so much for speaking to me today. I really appreciate the time that you've taken out.
It's good to see you. It's good that you're coming by, and what I'm really happy about is that you appreciate what we are doing.
I know, I really do.
We try and do our best efforts to make sure our apartments look good. The finishing, like, it's clean and pristine, and it's quite important to us.
Yeah. I have one final question for you, actually, just before I leave. What is the occupancy rate like here? Like, for most of the year, are the apartments booked out, or? Yeah,
the thing is that we actually know the numbers. So for all the rented apartments, but I think our focus, let's put 3 beds out, from studios to 2 beds, about 80% of the time they are rented.
Wow.
About 80%.
That's
and if you calculate that in months, that's like most of the year is rented. During peak time, we usually don't have any apartments in any of our developments available.
Really?
Yeah, because I quite remember last year, from September or October to about January, February, we were getting calls. We didn't have any units available. People were getting upset, but it's not our fault. Yeah.
Wow. So people book like far in advance.
People book far in advance. Yeah. Wow. And even throughout the year, obviously there's a peak time, but throughout the year, cumulatively, we still have about 80% occupancy.
Wow. Yeah. That's really very, very high. Yeah. That's amazing. I don't need to say any more. Gabby has said everything that there is to say. So if you are obviously interested in this, investing in one of these apartments, or just have it for yourself as a holiday home, or whatever you'd like to use it for, please do get in touch with me. Send me an email to naturalghanagirl@gmail.com, and I'll put you in touch with the relevant people so you can talk a bit more. You could maybe ask a few more questions if you'd like to do that. Okay, so do please send me an email. Also, if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget to also like, comment, and share this video. I'd appreciate it very much. Until next time, I'm out.